said my white cousin is in a Marine. She opened up a Navy Fed account with them, with him. My wife's cousin. So when it comes down to the Navy Fed, although they say that you have to have a family member that's in the, the military, you have to be in it yourself, or you have different things that can approve you to be a part of Navy Fed. So they'll say, okay, we'll approve you because you have these different things. Somebody, your grandparent was in the Navy, they're not going to verify you in that. Like, I don't even know how to explain that. So I don't care this person I have in my family that's this, and that. This person is this, and that. It don't matter what it is. Navy Fed is going to approve you for that account. So Navy Fed is going to approve you for that account. All you have to do is just say it. Like, say, oh, my granddad was in the Navy. My grandma was in the Army, or whatever you want to say, But as soon as you say it, they're not going to ask you for like verification, especially if these are for older people where documentation is probably just not here right now. Like, we don't have documents. I don't have the documents for my granddad. I just know it for sure. They're not going to verify that with you. Now, this is right now that they're not verifying it. Hopefully right now they're still not verifying it, but I'm pretty sure as a lot of people just keep coming in without their verification, they're going to stop it. They're going to stop it at some point. But I want to tell people about it before they stop it. Get in before they stop it. Get inside the door before they stop it. So anybody can really get that Navy Fed account, because they're not going to ask for any verification. It doesn't really matter.